Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for joining me today. A friend of mine sent me a WhatsApp message and he wanted me to do a video on how you can download Instagram video onto your phone. He is using iPhone, and so I decided to take upon myself and then do a video on how you can download Instagram video. I'll later on look at Android version of the phone. Okay, so without much ado, let's get straight to the tutorials. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video on this channel, you get the notification. So what we are doing today is how to download Instagram video onto your phone. You go to App Store and search for Instagram. I'll leave the link at the YouTube video description. Now we are done with downloading, so we just click open to open it. Click continue and then allow. Good. Now this is it. This is how the interface looks like. And so let's say I want to download a video from Instagram. You open your Instagram app. And then you search for a video. So let's say I want to download this video. I'll click on it and then click on the three dots there, copy the link. I'll copy the link. Immediately you copy the link, it will automatically be set into your Instagram URL link. So you just click on generate. So it says it has been added to your queue already. So you click allow access, then you go to your photos and you see there. So this is the video we downloaded. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again in another video, but please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Bye for now.